just waiting up here at the port to dump, and this will be the last of the beans off that one farm that we cut earlier this week. And the deal was pretty heavy this morning, so we probably won't get going on beans till about 10:30 today. Yesterday we were able to get about 100 acres knocked out. Would be nice to get that done again today as well, and then we should be done with custom harvesting on beans tomorrow then. Well, sad to say the wind is out of the southwest today, so it is kind of blowing towards town, but at least there's a breeze today, so it's not going to be too bad like it was last night, where it was literally just hanging in the air and, I don't know, covering all of Wanatah. Well, there goes the neighbors with their combine in head going to cut beans. Another one done, moving across the road to the next one. While I wait for Dad to get this field opened up, I'm gonna go get the green truck and run over to the other field and grab the head cart and pull that in this field, because we're gonna need to drop the head to go into the next field after this field. Well, Jeff was telling me that he was going to keep ours there and not worry about cutting it, because he just said it looks so nice that he didn't want to worry about cutting it. So how many acres of alfalfa do you guys actually do? Yeah, all together. Oh, so about 100. Alright, yeah. Almost got this field knocked out, just a little sliver and then we're done. Then we gotta drop the head and move over to the next 54 acres, which is just over the ditch over that way. Let's roll out. Alright, Dad's rolling with the combine. They're getting the tandems moved over. I'm bringing the grain cart over. Dad's splitting that field up the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And then he's going to cut those ends off. And we're going to work on both sides of the field then through the middle. and hopefully get those knocked out today, and hopefully get moved over to the other field just up the road a couple miles, and at least get that field opened up tonight. And we should be able to easily tomorrow knock out the rest of these custom harvest beans, and we'll be done for beans over here on custom work. And as for us, son, we've got a few hundred acres of beans to go, and we could potentially be done, not next week, but definitely by the following week, so the first full week of October then. So we moved over to the low ground part of this field. We were over on the high ground and we split that open. And we're going to split this low ground open and get this opened up. Dad's working on cutting along the ditch bank over there. And reason why we're hopping over onto the low ground is because these are a little bit tougher to cut versus the high ground. And we would like to get the low ground knocked out before this evening. That way we can get the low ground knocked out before it gets tough to cut tonight, and we'll be able to cut longer on the high ground, and hopefully we'll be able to get this field knocked out tonight, and possibly, just depending on when we get done with this, get moved over to the other field and at least get it opened up. Tonight's dinner, Wendy's. Shout out to Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa. Couple more rounds and this field will be knocked out. Well, is this honors English then, or that college English class? Oh, jeez. So you're supposed to do this in several hours, and you're going to try and get this knocked out in a couple hours. Well, at least you got, well, 11:59. I mean, you got 7 hours yet. So, several hours is, I guess... Shut up. Not you. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Well, that's how I was. That's how I was, like with those, what is it, the double journal entries or whatever. Those things suck. Yeah, they suck. Last round for this field. Work cut out for me on the pressure washer, that's for sure. 12 plus 42, that's 54 plus 53. 54 plus 53, you're talking 107 acres in one day. Good deal. So apparently this YouTube thing is really starting to rub off on Dad with the photogenic stuff and Instagram and everything. He's like, is the head still hooked up? Yeah. Make a loop and park it beside the combine. Come on, you gotta make it look photogenic. Not gonna argue with you. That would look pretty sharp. Yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna argue with him. That looks pretty sharp. Alright guys, I'm going to take the blue semi back to the farm and we are going to call it a day. There's about just right at 100 acres tomorrow that we need to get done, and we'll get those knocked out and we will be completely done with custom harvest work for beans this week. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.